It depends on what is it that you're selling to begin with. A successful pricing strategy for a Snuggie, for example, was just to be cheap enough so that people felt like it's okay to throw the money away and buy it, right? If they were selling Snuggies for $600, no one would buy them. They were selling Snuggies for $20. Yeah, it's okay. I'll buy an inside out bath towel or bathrobe and call it a day. When you're selling SaaS or some sort of a more technical product, I think you have to tie it back to the value. And value often is misconstrued with ROI and dollars, right? And when I say value, most people are like, oh, well, easy. I'll tell my customer that if they use my process, they're going to make 10x, 20x, 30x, 50x what they used to make. Great. But what are the constraints to get them there, right? Is your product, for example, so much harder to use and so much more cumbersome that it's going to take 5 of them to use your product? You might be able to get them to 50x, but is the 50x at the expense of this person staying up every night and making your product go? Does that person find that valuable? Or does the person find more value in a product that actually makes their life easy and makes their 9 to 5 that much better? And I think, as you obviously can't tailor every single product to every single individual's needs, but I think as long as you have a good product market fit and you know what you're selling to, and in general, like I said at the beginning of this call, we're a little bit more expensive than, or we're a little bit more expensive than, MailChimp, for example, but we know what the differences are in our product. And we know why we're a little bit more expensive, and we're able to articulate that to our end customer and say, look, we're not here to tell you that, such and such is a bad idea or a bad product or bad this or bad that. It's just that we're a little bit better. You're able to tie product market fit and, the next best alternative, what that is to the endpoint and end customer, and marry them two together and find a price that fits between the two. Unless you're selling a Snuggie, then just make it cheap so that people will buy it.